Meet the Epson SureColor G9070, the production DTFilm printer made for businesses that never slow down. When deadlines stack up and customers expect fast turnarounds, the SureColor G9070 keeps your shop running with the confidence and consistency you depend on. When your business thrives on speed, every minute matters. The SureColor G9070 is built to keep work moving, especially for large production runs. With twin roll capability and media support up to a total of 64 inches wide, it gives you the flexibility to take on more, including larger, high-impact graphics that expand your product offering with less juggling. Every print is a reflection of your brand and your customers. Epson's PrecisionCore printhead technology is engineered to deliver crisp detail and consistent color, job after job. With nozzle verification technology, the printer monitors nozzle health in real time and compensates automatically for optimal print quality without user intervention. And because the printhead is user replaceable, you can stay focused on your business, not waiting on service. No babysitting required. In a high-volume shop, maintenance shouldn't be a daily obstacle. The SureColor G9070's automated maintenance system takes the hassle out of upkeep, keeping the printer clean and removing the need for daily manual cleaning routines, resulting in more uptime, more reliability, and fewer interruptions to your business. Engineered for speed, reliability, and built for 24/7 productivity, the SureColor G9070 is the complete Epson solution. Hardware, ink, workflow, and service, all designed to help your business grow. The SureColor G9070, it just works.